5 things you can do with a programmable mobile number. Most of us think of a mobile number as something that belongs to a phone. You get a SIM, put it in a handset, and that's your number. But a mobile number can actually be used by software instead. And once you separate the number from the physical phone, there are some quite interesting things you can do with it. Here are 5 examples. Give an AI agent its own mobile number. Instead of an AI agent only existing inside a browser or an application, you can give it a number that it can use to communicate. That means you can build agents that can interact with messaging services and become part of existing communication workflows. Number 2, receive messages directly into an application. An incoming message doesn't necessarily need to appear on a phone. It can be received by your software, where you can decide what happens to it next. That might mean storing it, triggering an action, passing it to another system, or allowing an agent to respond. Number 3, forward messages somewhere else. You might want messages sent to one number to be forwarded into another system or workflow. That lets you keep the public-facing mobile number separate from whatever is actually processing the communication behind it. Number 4, give different projects their own numbers. Rather than using one mobile number for everything, you can assign separate numbers to different applications, projects, customers, or agents. That makes it much easier to keep communications separate and control what each number is being used for. And number 5, manage numbers programmatically. Instead of manually setting everything up on individual phones, numbers can be managed through an API. So, if you're building something that needs one number today and potentially dozens later, you don't need dozens of phones sitting on a desk. And that's really the idea behind Numbrrs. We've built it so developers can add real mobile numbers to software, applications, and AI agents, and manage those numbers without needing a separate physical phone for each one. If you're building something that needs its own mobile number, I'll put the Numbrrs link below.